I'm teaching my child not to defend himself and tell the teacher. My friend, however, is suggesting her kids to seriously defend themselves and fight in case a child was hurting them or being aggressive. What do you suggest?
Jesus Christ.
That's a good question.
I don't know, first of all, I'm not a parent. Can I just share something that happens in my office a lot of times? I think one thing that I do see is that a lot of kids that are bullying are victims of domestic violence at home. That's what I've seen. I'm not a therapist, I'm not qualified to answer this question, but I will tell you, a lot of these kids that actually do the bullying and get in trouble, and when I sit with them over time, of course, in my conference room and we chat, first of all, the parents are, I think as was mentioned today, the parents, first of all, ignore the drug use. They lie to me about their drug use and drug sales. I have a kid who was selling, I think in one of these schools, maybe Malibu, I think, school district. She was selling drugs so that she can pay for her home. $5 million home, parents are really well financially, they could get all the help they can. They come to me and they're lying to me, to my face, about the situation. So I kick them out of the conference room. I have a one-on-one with her, and she finally tells me the truth. I'm like, listen, nobody else is going to save you. They're going to pay for your defense, but I'm the one that is going to save you. But I need to know the truth. And the bottom line is, she has been abused at home. And so I'm not suggesting that that is in fact what's happening with every one of our kids, but a lot of kids that are being bullied, there is some uncontrolled anger that we lie about as parents. We don't get help for, which is what Dr. Pirnia is talking about. Get some help instead of saying, the mom tells the father, stop messing with him, just leave him alone. Instead of fixing the uncontrollable rage every single day, they go, just don't talk to him. Well, what do you think he's going to do with his anger? So I see a lot of that. So
Dr. K, do you think if I'm at my school and I feel threatened and someone wants to fight with me and push me and I feel I have fear, shall I push the person back and hit it?
No, I personally, I would recommend, this is just me, if I had a kid, I would tell my child, try your very best to de-escalate the situation and then immediately report the situation. Now I understand that you may think that there may be a backlash, and I think maybe Sergeant Craig is more equipped to answer this question. Quite frankly, I'm just basically going based on my experience. I do not encourage pushing back. Should you defend yourself physically? Yes. But should you be an aggressor also? No, I don't think you should be. I think you should get some help.